Create and manage customers in Sage Accounting. In this video, we'll guide you through how to create and manage customers in both the web and mobile app. Adding customer records can save valuable time when creating transactions. These records store important details about the individuals or businesses you regularly work with, making it easy to invoice them and efficiently track any outstanding payments. Create customers. To get started, from the top menu bar, go to Contacts and select Customers. Within this section, you can easily create, view, and manage your customer records. To create a new customer, click here. Enter the customer's business name, which will be displayed throughout Sage Accounting. The business name is the only mandatory box. Provide the additional details, such as contact name, customer reference, and contact information. If you're missing some information, you can create the customer with just their business name and add the remaining details later. Include the customer's email address if you'd like to email sales documents to them. In the Account Details section, select the country by clicking the arrow. Then, enter the address. It's important to note that an address is necessary for creating sales documents. This is the address that will appear on sales documents such as sales invoices, quotes, and estimates. The account default is the default ledger account for this customer. Specify the default ledger account using the drop-down. Ledger accounts are used to categorize or group your transactions to ensure accurate financial reports and help track your business performance. If the customer is VAT registered, enter their VAT registration number. If VAT reverse charge applies to your business, select this checkbox. For information and guidance on reverse charge VAT, please visit our Help Center. Next, go to the Delivery Address section. If the delivery address is the same as the invoice address, leave the checkbox selected. If the business has a different delivery address, deselect this checkbox and add the address below. Then, move to Payment Details. If you've established credit terms with your customer, enter them here. To set a credit limit, select this checkbox and enter the amount. By default, the credit terms for all customers will be taken from your company settings. This is usually 30 days, meaning each invoice you create will become overdue if not paid within 30 days. To set credit terms specific to this customer, select this checkbox and choose the required option. Include any relevant terms and conditions for this customer here. These will automatically appear on all sales documents you create for them. If you need to store your customer's bank details, enter them here. Next, navigate to Defaults. If you use various pricing structures such as retail and wholesale prices, set the price used by this customer by selecting the appropriate one from the drop-down list. This will only apply if you use products and services. If you have Sage Accounting Plus and have enabled foreign currency transactions in Settings, you will see this drop-down menu. If this is an international customer requiring invoices in their currency, select the relevant one from the drop-down list. If the currency you need does not appear, please check your foreign currency settings. If you have specified that you are a subcontractor in the construction industry scheme settings, a CIS tab will show here. If you have set up CIS as a main contractor only, this tab will not appear. In the CIS tab, select this checkbox if your customer is registered as a contractor with HMRC's construction industry scheme. In the Notes section, add any additional information you want to store about your customer. The notes are not visible to your customer or printed on any documents. If you have set up customer groups in Analysis Type settings, you will see an Analysis tab. Utilize customer groups to categorize your customers for reporting purposes, such as dividing them by region. Once you are happy with the information entered, click Save. The newly created customer will now appear in the customer list. Manage your customers. In Contacts and Customers, you can view a comprehensive list of all customers. Search for customers by entering part of their address, main phone number, or any part of their name in the search box. To view the results, click Search. Filter the list by status by clicking here. Select a status from the drop-down list and click Close. To clear the filter, click the X button. Customize the customer list to your preferences by clicking the configuration icon. Choose which columns to include or exclude in the contacts list. Define the column orders by dragging and dropping them. To return to the default column order, click Reset, or to save the changes, click Save. Organize the data in ascending or descending order by clicking each column. Select customers using the checkboxes for actions such as printing, emailing, downloading a CSV, or opening a PDF. For more actions such as generating the activity report, address list, and statement summary report, click here. To view and manage a customer, click the relevant one. All transactions related to the customer are accessible in the Activity tab. You can easily filter the list by date, type, and status for your convenience. View more details for each transaction by clicking on it. Select transactions using the checkboxes for bulk actions such as opening a PDF, printing, downloading a CSV, or emailing. If needed, edit the information by clicking the pencil icon in the relevant section. For example, you can edit the customer's name here. You can also edit any relevant information in these tabs using the pencil icon, such as the payment terms. Once you have edited the relevant information, don't forget to click Save. Create customers using the mobile app. It is also easy to create customer records on the fly using the Sage Accounting mobile app. Please note, what's displayed may differ slightly depending on what device and operating system you are using. From the mobile app, scroll down. Click View next to Contacts. From the Customers tab, click the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Click Create Contact. Enter all the relevant information. Click Save. Newly created customers appear on the list. For further information, access our Help Center by clicking Help at the top of Sage Accounting. You've now learned how easy it is to create and manage your customer records.